Hello guys, I'm Naval Yemul. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to calculate the QTD, YTD and MTD with second method. In the first method, we have seen using a DAX called total YTD. We have seen how to calculate by using YTD, QTD and MTD, total YTD, QTD, MTD. Now we are going to see the second method, how you can calculate YTD, QTD and MTD by using dates. Yeah, you can see here we have one more DAX where you can calculate the YTD, QTD, MTD by using the dates. So let me click on this dates YTD and you can see the formula here. So returns a table that contains a column of the dates for the year to date in the current context. So it is accepting two parameters. One is the dates and second is the year end date. So this is optional. It is optional. So if you want a year end date to be your 31st March or 31st December, so depending upon your requirement, you can change this. You can change the year end date. So you can see the example here. You're using a calculate function. So to know the details about the calculate function, I've explained how the calculate function works in detail. I request you to please watch the recordings of the calculate function. Then we are using a expression. It may be sum of the sales amount. In our case, calculate sum of the sales amount. And then I'm passing out the filter function, that is dates YTD. Okay. So in first method, we have used how to calculate QTD, YTD, MTD by using a DAX called total YTD. But now we are using a second method. Those who have missed it, so I request you to please watch the previous recordings. You will get a clear understanding of how to calculate this. Now we are going for the second method where you can use dates YTD to calculate the YTD. Second method. So I'm going to create a new measure and I'll call a name YTD method 2. By second method, I'm using a calculate function, and calculate function sees you to give you the expression in the first parameter. So I'm passing on the expression called the sales amount, sum of the sales amount. Then I'm passing the filter. So whatever the sales amount I get, that should be filtered out with the dates YTD. So I'm using a function called dates YTD. If you want YTD, in the dates YTD, it is asking you for the dates and the year end date. So here with dates, I'm just passing the date column, that is financial table, and the date column. You apply the filter and you can close this. You can close this bracket and press enter. So now let us visualize this. Let me take a date. Let me take a sales, and you take a YTD 2. Okay, YTD by using a second method. So let me remove the day from this. Let me remove the day. Yeah, now you can see you get the same values as we got for the YTD. Okay, let me take YTD also, and now you can see you got a same value. So you can do YTD by two methods. One is by using total YTD, second is by using calculate and then passing on the filter, that is dates YTD. Similarly, you can do for MTD, for QTD and also for YTD in the two ways. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching guys. Keep learning.